People, check this out. Hatchimals CollEGGtibles Season 2. And we got the team with us and we're here and ready to unbox this. Thanks to Spin Master and Hatchimals for giving us these awesome toys.
Yeah.
We are really excited to open them. And we even got this special.
Because we just got them out. And we also got this special gift from them.
All right.
Oh, yeah.
This is cool, y'all.
You don't even know what's inside yet.
Yeah.
So we're
It
gonna
feels like a bunch of stuff, but it's amazing.
Yeah. And we also got a bunch of toys here sent for us. And each of us are actually going to open some. So
Season 2.
Okay, so these are season 2, right?
Yeah.
And so we have a total of what, 8 of them here that we're gonna open?
Yeah.
Okay.
boxy.
And so, Doc, in your left hand there, you've got the 2 packs plus the nest, right?
Yep.
Okay. And EO, can you actually show the 5 pack? So is this a 5 or a 6 pack?
It's a 5
It's
pack.
a 5. There's 4 unhatched ones and one that's in the middle that they already included.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Let's see the
and
back of the
you
box
can tell
there.
which family they are from because it's from the back.
the egg color.
Yeah.
But in the back of the small ones, it's the same colors except a different place.
Yeah, and as you can see on the back, it's obviously says that the wings have this glitteriness, and it'll tell you their rarity. Like silver means common, and pink means rare, purple means ultra rare, and blue means a limited edition.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
but
I'm
it's
so
kind of
excited.
small. It's kind of small.
Yeah, it's a mini version of the original huge Hatchimals that's really popular.
So actually, how do they hatch? How do we actually literally hatch these?
So you put
Rub
them
the
in your
heart area.
hand, and then just rub the heart area, and then push it in, and then you can
There's a
hatch
heart
them.
in the middle.
And it turns into color. Like the purple will turn pink when it's ready to hatch, and then you just open and hatch them.
Yeah, and then
You're
there's
supposed
like,
to hold
and then you're supposed to take
then
off
it
the top
hatches.
part of the Hatchimal, and then it just leaves a little nest on the bottom where it's like the rigid part. And it's cool.
And it also it comes with a stand, like once
Like a
you
nest,
hatch
yeah.
them, then you can put the egg or whatever inside that stand. Like, yeah.
And as you guys can see, it kind of looks like on the top of the eggs that there's like little holes on them, like they're actually living. But
I
just
thought
Yeah.
they were
toys.
supposed like after
It looks
you
like a
hatch
salt
them.
shaker or something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
earlier I said, oh, after you hatch them, you could use them as a salt shaker.
I like that. All right, again, as Doc said, a big thank you to Hatchimals and Spin Master for actually sending these out for you guys to check out for all of our subscribers. I think we're about ready to do some hatching. You guys ready?
yeah.
You guys, what do you guys
The
think?
golden egg.
We're gonna get the golden egg? Okay, let's see what we can do, guys.
Start hatching.
Hatchimals.
Booyah! We have the miniature 2-pack Hatchimals CollEGGtibles, I guess, and they look really nice. So
I'm gonna start opening mine right now.
yeah,
They
me
look
too.
really nice.
It's super hard to do this in the water, but I kind of like the idea.
This is more of the Hatchimals pool challenge.
Yeah.
Oh yeah!
So is that called the nest?
Yeah,
Yeah, look at the
probably.
nest.
Okay.
Rocky and Piper, I think this belongs to you guys.
So these are the 2 packs. They come with 1 nest and the 2
shaker.
mini Hatchimals.
Okay. Hold.
Okay, here's the list that Rocky has actually right here. I'll see if I can.
Rub the heart.
All right.
So we rub the heart.
So for it, EO.
So like this is the heart. We're gonna be just like rubbing it with like thermal energy, I guess, like heat.
I like that.
Why is
Thermal
this
energy.
pink? It says if it rubs from purple to pink, so it's already pink. So that means it's ready to hatch.
Okay,
Purple.
yeah.
It's not purple.
I know it was pink at the
Okay, we're gonna try this. Oh, this one's white colored, so that might be like something.
Yeah.
Maybe that
I'm
one
rubbing.
I'm rubbing too.
Then it's the golden Hatchimal.
Oh,
We're trying to
whoa,
find.
that's kind of weird.
Yeah, let me see that again, Rocky. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You already got it.
Oh, that's
Awesome, Doc. Okay,
crazy.
go for it.
What?
To peel it off at the hatch line.
Oh, man. Oh, wow. Oh,
Try to push it.
look at
Oh,
this guy.
okay. It just pushed.
Oh,
There you
Push it at the
go.
heart, and then it's like
Oh,
common. I think
wow,
it's
kind of
common.
like kind of a translucent one. So, hey, girls. So, which one do you think that this is?
This is blue, by the way.
Okay, it's kind of a blue with.
Wait, where are the wings?
Okay,
It's
so
common.
what EO's working his over here.
I'm opening it.
Oh, wow. I really like these.
See if you can pull it out. You can use the bottom of it too. Don't. In
Yeah, I
the
know.
future, we won't like break all of it because you can actually use
Just
the
setting an
bottom of
example.
them.
Use it from Crystal Canyon.
Do you have the bottom of it kind of pulled away? Yeah, there you go.
I
And
got
they
a
can kinda,
rare
like just
one.
sit there.
They're like a nest.
I
There
got
we
a-
go.
They stand up, I think.
I got a narwhal with
I think it's crystal
pink
dragonfly.
wings, which means it's rare.
Oh, this is a rare one?
Yeah,
And
see,
what's it
pink.
called?
It looks like a narwhal, but I'm not sure
Okay,
yet.
so if you guys can see, it's probably down here. It's the crystal dragonfly. This one is a
crystal
common.
dragonfly.
This one, the Crystal Canyon.
Okay, and this one's a rare.
All right.
No,
guys,
this
I'm
one
just gonna
is
show
a
you.
common.
Okay, that one's a common, and how about the other one that we got? Go for it.
Okay,
Just
so
keep it going.
you just rub it, and then it's actually pretty easy. You just do that. I didn't even rub it.
Okay, cool.
Kind of.
Okay, so this one is
Just a few rubs, actually, it
from
takes maybe.
Snowflake Shrine, and this one is the whale one. If you guys can see,
Purple,
It's
common.
Snowflake something. I can't see.
Okay.
No, I think it's right here, Rocky.
I got
Ooh, that looks like a toucan or something.
Snowflake.
I got another common.
Narwhal.
Ooh, all right.
Yeah, two
So
commons.
the material of these,
Snowflake
they feel like
Wobbler.
Wobbler.
they're like stiff, not rubbery.
Cool.
It feels nice.
Yeah.
Don't throw these at anybody.
Don't throw them at anybody.
This one?
Okay, so that's
What'd you get the other one though?
Oh my god.
Does the other one look like? Oh, that's
Toucan
beautiful.
thing.
yeah, it's like a toucan.
Purple.
This
Bird.
one's a rare.
Oh, okay, that one is a rare. That
Because
okay.
they're the pink wings.
Awesome.
What
Good.
is this?
Put it in the nest there. So go ahead, EO.
All right.
You pulled
that
that
should be
last one out, right?
Yeah.
Can we show the shell a little bit closer?
This is the shell. It comes in this plastic-looking thing.
Okay, cool. Okay, I like these so far.
Oh
Now
yeah.
you're talking.
This is sea spoon, and it's a common.
Okay,
Okay. Here's a little of a close-up because I don't think I showed
Teaspoon?
really
Yeah,
close
teaspoon.
enough.
got it.
Let me
Show
hack
that
it
one
to
closer to
hatch
the camera there, Piper.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, what's he called?
sea spoon, and it's a common.
Okay, sea spoon, common. Got it. So that's all 4 of them, right, guys?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Dragonfly,
Yeah, right there.
snowflake, narwhal, crystal dragonfly. This one right here.
Uh huh.
Right here. And then that's a common, and then a snowflake, like narwhal, I think. And then what is this again?
Oh, yeah. She just mentioned it actually. Okay.
I'm trying
So,
to make it into the
Are you
nest.
guys ready to actually open up some more of them?
Yeah.
All right. Let's segue over to our next hatchable location.
Location.
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
see where we can find them.
Oh, the boys ain't got nothing on us. Check this out. Okay, let's open up the hatch.
We got Hatchimals too.
Oh yeah, go.
She dropped the nest.
These are getting pretty wet and gooey. Get the rubbing going there. Okay, so EO's got the nest there.
Piper, go two hands.
We got the
Rub.
Oh, Rocky's going two-handed rubs.
Whoa, she's
Piper's
going
going
two-hand
single-handed.
Rubik's Cube right here.
Oh, it's already pink.
So these are called, I think they're pronounced collectibles. Collectibles. All right, Piper and Rocky at the same
So this one
time.
is purple specks, and it's a panda with white with silver
Panda
wings.
me. All right.
I love pandas.
There's
called
hatchable
Pandora.
number 1.
That's called Pandora.
Even though the girls were telling me that they see TV commercials all the time, right, girls?
Yeah.
For Hatchimals, actually, we've never opened up any of these. This is our first time ever, so pretty exciting stuff.
We got the purple wings. I think it's like a bear.
Okay, and EO's actually
hummingbird.
looking.
Or the hummingbird.
Those are
Yeah,
called.
there's another this is a hummingbird, I think, with
Okay, but that's
mine
different
is
than that
furry
toucan.
specs. Mine is furry.
Ooh, it is furry.
Really?
Check that out. Feel
Oh,
it.
that is furry.
This is a duckle.
Can I feel?
This is a duckle?
That's a duckle?
Duckle, yeah.
This is a
looks like.
Pandora.
Oh, it's called a Pandora?
Yeah.
Hey, Piper,
Blue.
dunk that one in the water.
Wait, this
dunk that
is
one
a
in the
limited
jacuzzi.
edition.
Oh, okay, don't
limited
dunk in the water. It's limited edition.
It's furry. Look at the blue wing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Magical hamstar.
It's a hamstar. It's furry and it's limited edition.
Man,
Yeah.
I was just saying dunk it in the jacuzzi. Okay, that's where it would have went. That's probably not the best idea. What do you say, EL? I don't think so. Okay, so our limited edition. So we struck it rich here.
All
Good
right.
job, guys.
This one's common and this one's limited edition.
How about a little bit of close up on your duo? Okay,
right.
It looks
so
nice.
The boys can't compare to our treasures.
you guys got it right.
We got more rares than you though.
You guys got the better treasure. No way, they got the limited edition.
Yeah, but we got more rares.
All right, well let's stay tuned. Let's see if actually the boys can beat the girls on the next location we take. And you know what? We shouldn't even say unbox M&M. We actually should say hatch.
So we can hatch them all.
We
call this a Hatchimal Speed Challenge. Dab and grab.
All right.
Oh my gosh. Okay, total complete pandemonium.
Okay, this one is a common. This one is foxfin.
Okay. So what the kids are actually doing, they're trying to actually win this small little Hatchimals blind bag right here.
Oh boy.
There you go.
How's
The rubbing's hard.
So they're trying to win this one right here.
I got a limited edition. Wow.
Okay, oh, we got another limited edition. All right. So this is just a quickie speed challenge. Whoever can actually name all 5 of them and hatch them, which takes, I don't know, anywhere from 5 seconds or a little bit longer, 10 seconds or so.
This is Donkey Moo.
Okay, put it up there. Yep. So we'll run down these and just show him a little bit closer.
Magical hamster.
Okay, throw it up there.
Oh, limited edition.
Ooh, okay.
Oh. This one is Elephanty. This
Okay.
is Butterpuff.
Okay, so Rocky has 2 of them done, I think.
Is this the? This one's really yellow. I don't. Okay, no.
Mine's just kind of stuck.
Probably Foxy.
I got everyone out.
Okay, so Doc's going with a different strategy. Make sure you give him good rubs there, right?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, so Doc has all 5 of them that are out. He's going for a completely different strategy, but EL's already done 3.
So this is
This is Crystal Cheetree.
Okay,
this
got
one
it.
is Prowl.
This is Gorilla Bee.
Prowl, Gorilla Bee.
This is Armadillo.
This is Hummingbear.
Got it. Gotta take him out
This
of
is
EL.
Magical Hamstar.
Open.
This is Beavery. Oh wait, this is no. This is. Oh, what are you?
You're gonna have to give
This
him.
is Snowflake Walren, and this is. Oh, what are you?
That's good. It takes a little bit of time to hatch him. So he's struggling on his last one, I think, right, Doc?
Yeah.
Come on, Doc.
This is.
Okay, he's close.
Kangaroos.
This is
Kangaroos.
Foxen. This is
Kangaroos.
Foxen.
Okay, so Doc, that was 5, and EL. Oh, so EL didn't do his last one yet. So Doc is the winner. He named all 5 of them. Keep going, keep hatching them though. Let's take a look at all of them there.
I got a
Perfect.
That's pretty cool.
So actually,
Snowflake Hummingbear.
Oh, cool.
And I'm done.
Okay, so EL came in 2nd place there. Awesome. And so Rocky's still trying to
This is
I'm
the
trying to find
limited
get
edition.
her last one.
This one is Gorilla.
This is Dragon
and this
Blood.
one is an ultra rare. This is
Oh, ultra rare, good. Is that your 4th? That was your 5th one, Piper?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
This
So
is my last one.
Rocky's working on the last one. Rocky, you came in last place.
Oh my gosh, I thought Rocky was gonna win.
It's supposed to be Ruby.
Here's the back of them. So these are actually called the Hatchimals CollEGGtibles 4-pack plus the bonus that was right up here. We're actually trying to find one of these gold ones, which are actually really, really rare. We've never seen one before, but
Season 2.
yeah. So these are age graded for 5 and above. So that's pretty good. Made by Spin Master. Thank you, Spin Master. And these are, as we said, the season 2. So, EO, you got your last one. So there's Piper's up there. So these are all Piper's right here.
Yep.
Yeah,
These are Doc's.
I got 3 commons, 1 ultra rare, and 1 rare.
Oh, I got one rare. This
I got one
is,
limited edition,
this is
one rare,
Prowl.
3 commons. Cool.
Oh, that's Frau. Okay, let's line these up a little bit. I think I can
That's
get
actually
this
pretty
side
fun, yeah.
M&M.
No, that side. Oh, okay.
I think these are pretty good here in the middle ones. Or we'll move them
That's
around a little
EO.
bit.
That's limited edition. Is
Okay, EO got one limited edition, which is pretty infrequent. Doc got one. Point to your limited edition. Let me see it a little closer. Let's see here. Okay, this is different than Doc's.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow.
Looks
Okay.
the same.
The blue wings, that denotes that they're limited edition.
Yeah.
Yes.
And this one, these are actually furry right here. So Doc, here you go. That goes back on your side.
Yeah.
So it looks like Doc is going to go ahead and open up this one right here, and go ahead and give it a good, rub.
All right.
I think that's what's in these, if I remember correctly, because
All right.
we're
get it
gonna.
out.
Oh, it's wet.
Mm-hmm. Okay. What was this one right here? Is this a
That's
turtle?
Prowl.
Okay.
Prowl.
That was
It's a frog.
It's a froggy.
Yeah.
Froggy.
Right. And
Oh, Doc got his special egg because he won the challenge.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So what's that called?
Oh, it's
that
another
the golden?
gorilla. It's a gorilla bee.
Hoping for the golden, but that's cool. Oh, so you got another one. I think that one's common as well too.
Yeah, it is.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
But I got a gorilla bee. This one and this one is ultra rare.
Which one? This one? Oh, okay. If I had any favorites, I do like the limited editions because they're kind of furry. But this guy right here, I can't really remember his name, but I like this one a lot. This would be my favorite. That was your favorite, Eminem?
Yeah, that's
I bet you Piper likes this little kitty cat one.
This is my favorite.
What is it?
It's I forgot what
Like a puppy? It's okay if you don't remember the name.
limited edition one.
Okay, EO's going for the limited edition. All right.
That's a lot, yeah.
I think that about covers them. That was good. 5 times 4. And you, oh, sorry, Rocky, you like this guy right here? Oh, okay. It's got a winking. All right. Well, we actually didn't get too many doubles, so we really are making out. These have been really awesome for us.
Wow.
I can't really think of anything else.
Let's hit the pool.
This is Hatchimals!
Oh, silly salmon.
Piper. Bring that Hatchimals lover back here. Okay, Rocky, so what is it that you have here? Rocky, actually show us what you guys are gonna open up here.
This special gift that Hatchimals gave us, specifically Spin Master, for sending us these amazing toys.
Okay, so this is a special gift. We actually have no idea what's in here. So,
I feel like the bottom's wet.
all right, so Rocky, I can actually hold it for you. You go ahead and see if you can get in there.
Okay.
Doc, bring it a little bit closer there. Whoa, hold on. Hold on. Okay, bring him back over here. Okay, I'm gonna throw it to you. See if you can catch it. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, good catch. Now there's a bunch of water in there. We have actually no idea what is in here and what
It's slippery.
Spin Master has actually sent us. So let's find out.
Okay.
Let's go ahead.
Really shake. Yeah. Give me the ribbon. Piper.
You guys are stinky.
Gosh, it has a small little hole. Small little one.
Do that. Yeah.
Oh, don't jump in the pool. Oh my gosh! They have more Hatchimals. Oh, they have this.
Wow.
And they have this.
We got so many goodies from them. Start opening them up. Good grief.
Oh.
Look at, there's a whole bunch of water in there.
No way.
I think our Hatchimals are gonna get all wet.
Oh, the special one egg.
no
It looks
way.
like McDonald's, but like it's amazing. It's so cute.
Okay.
Oh boy.
The dog's got this really huge, I think he's got like a 12
Dozen.
pack. Is it a dozen?
Dozen of eggs.
I'm cradling it.
Stay
in
over
my
this
hand.
direction though, Doc. Doc, go ahead and,
It's out. It's big.
Yeah.
I got another one.
Yeah. Got it.
Oh, how do you open it?
okay, so you guys actually got two 12 packs.
Yeah, it's right here.
I can open this underwater.
Yeah, so
No way. Oh, look at all of these. Look at all of these.
this one.
They're crazy. Do we just open them?
yeah, go for them really quick.
Oh
Man,
boy.
we have so many of them. My gosh, what an incredible gift.
This one is, oh my gosh.
That's mine right there.
We got 2 of these small ones.
Mm-hmm.
And then, let's get this egg.
Eminem, do you want to actually open up a few of these?
Coming.
Oh, why not?
They just received like 1 million of them. And Rocky's got like a 2-pack, or is that a 1-pack there? Like
2-pack.
eggs. So what are these called, guys? So we have an idea. These are called cool.
Collectibles.
Okay, so it's the same type.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's a dozen.
We just
of
have a
eggs.
ton of the eggs.
Okay.
Change color.
So I'm gonna hold them up in front of the camera when you guys actually get them. There you go.
Rub, 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 rub,
Okay.
rub, rub,
We'll get back to you when you actually hatch it. Okay, it's ready.
Yep. Ready. There you go.
Ooh. Okay.
You guys just gonna have to look for the names.
This is really tight.
And
Wow, you can see the transformation. Look, it's going a little.
yep, it's
Oh,
purple.
I got it.
So
So, no.
yeah, EL, see if you can pull Rocky a little bit over this way so she's closer.
Yeah, I got it.
So then, and then now hold over here like Piper's doing, Rocky, so you don't float off and Sharky. Okay, hold it. There you go.
There. It has
Change colors to pink, right? Okay.
Oh, mine is still going. Mine was really
my other
purple.
one.
Mine
Yours
was
is still
really
purple?
purple.
Mine is I got it right.
Mine is kind of.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
really
here's
hard.
I'm loading them up.
How I thought.
Just show the camera actually when you do open them up. So what are the Hatchimals called? Are they called a 1-pack or a 2-pack? Can we see the actual packages?
These are like
Okay, so
dozen.
these are just
Blind
1-pack blind bags.
Okay.
And these are the 2-pack ones.
Okay, and so
And
are
that's
those
the-
called season 2?
Two rare.
Yeah, this is season 2 collect.
Look at this, there's water. water in
There's
them.
water in it. Oh my gosh.
I get.
But everything that we're opening here is season 2, right?
Yeah. Oh, what is this? It's purple. What's purple?
Oh.
I don't know. Well, actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna run through maybe some of these and name all of them. But we have actually so many.
Oh, I got it. I got
Yeah,
an
so show them
owl.
in front of the camera actually before.
I got an animal. I got an owl.
I got a rare.
You did get a rare?
Yeah, I did.
Which one?
It looks like a moose.
It's Moosey Hatchimal.
Ultra rare.
Ooh, let me see there. Piper, Rocky, you have to come closer over here. So EO, yeah, pull her. There you go.
Got ultra rare.
That's an ultra rare right there, that one?
Because the arms are purple.
What is it? Some type of
It's an
bird?
owl.
Oh, it's an owl.
Is mine rare? Does this
Oh, you better
rare-
look that one up
rare
because it's
is
like
red-
a different.
pink.
This one is common. And I'm not sure what it is.
This one is common.
Okay. Okay, I think I have. Oh, I think I got a limited edition.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think so. It's like a
I think all the
dog
furry
or-
ones are limited
The
edition.
texture is like fabric.
I think all the furry
Yeah.
ones
So you
are
can see
limited
that?
Oh, I'm done.
Okay, that
thank
we
you.
think is a limited edition.
Spin Master.
Let me see all of them.
Thanks,
Yeah.
Spin Master and Hatchimals for sending these awesome gifts. We really appreciate it. And
Let me see the outside box there of it.
you guys should
Okay.
also follow Hatchimals on their at Hatchimals. Like maybe they have. I mean, you guys could go check them out. They're
I
really
got
cool.
a platypus.
Yep. Or you can use at Hatchimals as well too if you're on Twitter and
Instagram.
yeah, Instagram, other social networks as too.
Yeah, this is
you
the
can
one that I
follow
was
them.
going to show you guys. This one's rare.
Okay. So man, you guys just opened up 24, probably about almost 30 here.
I think these packaging.
Yeah.
These are superb packaging. Like, look at
That
this.
is really fun packaging. You can do a lot with them. Check that out. Let me see Rocky the blind bag bag as well too.
But
Okay.
it's not open yet.
Okay, yeah, open that. Oh, that's the last one, or do you guys have more?
I have one more. I can't open it.
Yo, see if there's any more behind Rocky. Okay, Doc will actually do it.
I'll push in.
Oh, it comes with another egg.
And oh, this one has another. Okay, that's right. So this is a good. Oh, we got another 2-pack.
Yeah, right here.
Okay, go for it. There you go, EO. Just you gotta hold them over here.
They're
Yeah.
both purple, I think.
We're gonna float off.
It's so hard to keep them. It's so heavy and
You're using some thermodynamics there.
Yeah,
You can pull them back, Eminem. You can pull.
Oh, it's
pull
another. What's purple? What's pink? I don't know what this guy is.
Pink
oh,
is
the
rare.
same as the.
Looks like a moose.
Yeah.
Yeah, moosey.
Okay.
I'm not a duplicate.
Oh, we got a duplicate right there. Oh,
Wow,
my
we
God.
actually didn't get that many duplicates if you guys think about it.
I got
Yeah.
most
That's
of
our
them.
first
to the
duplicate,
camera.
I think.
Ooh,
If you get, yeah,
I
there you
I
go.
forgot what this guy's called.
Looks like
but
a
it's a common.
Hatchimal alien. This one's a common?
It's common.
Okay.
Oh, I think this is something dragonfly.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so
I'm
we
gonna
made.
put the shells in here. That looks cute.
All right.
Wow. I think we made a pretty good mess here. We got a big.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the octopus. Let me see it.
Octopus.
Pinky.
We're in the pool.
Pool dynamics. Great.
Yeah.
Hatchimal swimming in the pool. All
Oh
right.
yeah. These are so fun.
So yeah, I think that about covers all of them. You open up every one, right?
Yeah, I
Mike,
opened
did we find the golden
everyone.
Hatchimal?
No.
We did not find the golden hatchimal, but we're gonna be actually getting more of these hopefully in the near
Is
future.
there only one golden hatchimal?
Yeah, thanks for watching our videos, guys. These are the Toy Hunting Gamers. Look for more videos from us really soon, and toys like these great ones as well too. So until then, bye everybody.
Bye.